organizer says canceling is not an option. James?
Correct, Kim. In the face of rising COVID numbers, Tulsa's Veterans Day Parade is facing the challenge of balancing history and safety. On Wednesday, the parade is going to happen, and as a standard bearer in the country, they want to prove they can do it safely. As we're seeing record coronavirus numbers in Oklahoma and across the country, one of the largest Veterans Day parades in the nation is set to continue in Tulsa.
There were no options. We had to figure out a way.
On Saturday, the state saw a record high of 4,507 new cases. Tulsa County accounted for nearly 380 of them. The state health commissioner, Dr. Lance Fry, said in a statement today he believes this number is not just a fluke, but instead a sign that coronavirus is spreading all over the state. Tulsa's Veterans Day Parade would normally have roughly 4,000 people march. This year, they've cut that number in half to help mitigate some of the risk because they feel this parade has to happen.
Everybody that's signed up to march in a parade that's a veteran, we've already signed up once to protect our communities, to protect our country and our state. This is no different.
The parade is set to start here at 3rd and Cincinnati before heading west and looping back and down around 6th and 7th Streets. Now, this area is almost entirely what the Tulsa Health Department describes as a red zone, which means residents should stay at home unless absolutely necessary.
The signs that I have here behind me so that everybody sees that, obviously visuals saying, hey, look, we just need to mask up to keep the greatest generation safe. And they're really the ones at most threat from COVID. And so we want to try and protect them by eliminating the vectors of transmission the best that we can.
And in its 102-year history, the Veterans Day Parade has marched every single year. And despite a spike in COVID cases, they don't intend to let this be the first year they don't. Now, along the parade route, the parade will have Boy Scouts sanitizing common touch areas. And Starks is urging all those in attendance to follow social distance protocols. And if you don't feel safe going to the parade, we will be airing it in its entirety right here on News Channel 8. Reporting from Lookout Mountain, James King, News Channel 8.